Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Bag 40. It is our Margaret Miller weekly collage challenge time. And we have week 35. And this is my week 35. Bring you down so you can see it. Hold on to your breeches. Woo! Let's see. Kind of. Maybe I need to clean the lens off. That looks a little blurry. Or maybe it's my eyeballs. But anyway, we have an illustration from a children's book, a hexagon, brown or craft paper, the name of your favorite tea, a string of numbers, and the bonus is a fragrant item from your surrounding. Fragrant. Okay, I read fragrant and thought fragment. Don't ask me. I just read fragment. My brain said fragment. I got a fragment. So I put the fragment on here. And I was watching Susan, and she said fragrant. And I was like, that's not it. And I went and got my list and looked, and sure enough, I thought she did the wrong thing. No, Juju did the wrong thing, of course. So I had to get me something. So I got me this little rose chipboard thing and put it over top of this little fragment piece of something or other. Okay, so I didn't do the tea bag thing because they had already took the tea bags, threw stuff away, so I didn't have any tea bag thing in the house with the names on it. And I had used my other one I had with the leaves, so we just skipped it. But anyway, the brown paper is on here. You can see it on the back. And I painted teal over that. Here's my hexagon shape. That's a couple of them together. I did the string of numbers in my hand, lettering, and then I just did some mark making on it. There's that pencil. I put the roses here. This is the illustration from a children's book, and it is a children's math book, and that's one of that from the 1800s that little boy painted. And then I just put Betty Boop on here because she's just freaking cute. So that is my week 35 for my Margaret Miller collage challenge. Okay, see you next week. Bye.